Hello, how are you? I am back again and I thought today would unbox my Jurlique order together. So in case you don't know Jurlique, they're an amazing Australian beauty brand. They make the most incredible, natural, wholesome, rose and lavender scented products with a special emphasis on the rose products because they have their own rose farm. I think it's in the Adelaide Hills and honestly, it's like my dream to go visit. And I think because they have their own rose farm, their products are just leaps and bounds ahead of any other rose products out there. They are truly beautiful and just so good for the skin and so good for the soul and really balancing and hydrating and moisturizing and just lovely. So I am a huge fan, not just because I love the smell, but also because I have quite dry and sensitive and irritable skin, and I find that they would just really work for me. And I just feel like they fill my heart and my skin with like goodness. So let me show you what I got. So first of all, I got some items for my mum for Mother's Day because she is also a big fan of their products. And they have some really beautiful gift sets. This one is for the face and it's the Rare Rose Glow Ritual. And this contains their rose face oil, which is honestly one of the best face oils you will ever use. It also contains their Rare Rose Cream, which I also bought for myself. And their activating water essence, which my mum has used before and she absolutely loves. So I thought this would be a beautiful set for her. Also, huge confession. I'm so embarrassed to admit this, but I also bought her a hand cream set. And then the other night, my boyfriend was like, I need some new hand cream. And I was like, I need some new hand cream. And I was like, oh, hang on, I've got some over here, completely forgetting that I bought it for my mum. So I opened it up. I took the rose one, he took the lavender one. And then I was like, oh my God, that was like a Mother's Day gift for my mum. So yeah, that's awkward. There is one left in the set, so I may actually wrap this up and give it to my mum. But yeah, it was meant to be a gift and I opened it up and used it for us. So what are you gonna do? But don't feel too bad for my mum because I also got her this set. This is the Jurlique Softening Body Duo. This set is just so luxurious. I've had it before and I've also given it to my mum before. And it contains their rose shower gel as well as their rose body lotion. Why was that such a tongue twister? Anyway, it's such a beautiful set and it's just, oh, it's divine. So I thought I'd get it for her. And then I got some items for myself. So let me show you them. So I had to really hold back because I could have got myself more, but I tried to like restrict myself. I honestly really wanted to get myself the bath and shower gel, but I didn't. And I also wanted to get myself the rose water balancing mist because that's also dreamy. But again, I didn't. So I'm going to show you what I did get for myself. First up, I got the rose hand wash. Now I know that sounds a little bit weird to get like a fancy bougie hand wash, but recently I've been finding I've got a lot of eczema on my hands. I think it's because I have a toddler and I'm just constantly washing my hands and it's just been affecting my skin quite a lot. So I thought I'd switch to something which is a little bit more natural, a little bit more hydrating, and hopefully will keep the eczema at bay. So this is what my hands look like at the moment, and I'm hoping this will just be a little bit more gentle and soothing for my skin. Also, it smells incredible, I'm just saying. Next up, I got one of their face masks. I've used this so many times before and it's absolutely incredible. It's really hydrating, really nourishing, really balancing, and just really great if you've got dry and sensitive skin like I do. And you can use it as like a 10-minute face mask and then wash it off. But what I do is I use it as an overnight mask. So I basically put it on like I would a face cream at night and I just let it work its magic all night. And yeah, I wake up and just feel a little bit more hydrated and lovely. And I also feel like I get more bang for my buck by using it overnight because it's got more time to soak in and work its magic. It's a really nice big 100ml tube. And again, it smells like roses and I love it. It's just gorgeous. So if you have dry and sensitive skin like me, I cannot recommend it enough. Next up, I got myself a hand cream. And I know what you're thinking. This is the one I should have opened the other night, but I completely forgot I got this one. So I opened the gift set instead because, I don't know, I don't think my head was in the game. I must have been really tired or something. But this is a nice big tube of the rose hand cream. I should probably wrap this up for my mum for her Mother's Day gift, considering I opened up her gift. But this is like a top tier hand cream. It smells like roses. It's really thick. It's really hydrating. It just leaves your hands so soft and velvety. And honestly, it is worth every single penny. And then I got one more item, which is the Rare Rose Cream. This is one of my favorite ever face creams. I just love it. Again, it smells like roses. It smells so beautiful. It's really hydrating. It's really like lovely and soft on your skin. It's not too heavy, but it also lasts all day. It sits really well under your makeup and it's just really nice. Like it's really luxurious and it just works. And I do have really dry and sensitive skin, so I have to be careful what I use. Not everything is rich enough to last the entire day, but I'm also quite picky and I don't like anything too heavy. And I don't like anything which makes me feel kind of sweaty. So this for me is just perfect, and it really does feel like such a treat, as well as working wonders. And what I love about Jurlique is not the fact that it smells amazing, but it also really works. And also the smell of it is just like a natural byproduct of like what the rose is doing for my skin. Because I'm sure you know, but rose is really good for the skin. It's really balancing, it's really calming, and it's also naturally really hydrating. So the rose is doing good stuff, but it's also smelling incredible. And I think that's one of the reasons I love Jurlique so much, because it's just such a dream for your skin, but also a dream for your soul. Anyway, that is my entire video. I do kind of wish I'd bought myself the face oil, because the face oil is divine. I also love their cleansing oil, but I had to stop somewhere, and I kind of wish I'd bought myself the shower gel too, but I'll probably get them next order. Anyway, that's my video. If you've got any questions, let me know. I'm a huge fan of the brand. I cannot recommend them enough, especially if you have dry and sensitive skin. It's also amazing if you love natural skincare or you have quite mature skin, or actually if you have quite young skin too, because I use their bath products on Mary and it's perfect for her. So yeah, I would use it on like baby skin, but also like old skin. And of course, dry and sensitive skin. It's basically just great products. It's great for everybody and I love it so much. Anyway, that's my unboxing. Thank you for watching. If you've got any questions, let me know. And I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.